Demo on digital input. Components considered: input, switch or push button, output LED, microcontroller Atmega 328, an 8-bit controller, IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, that is Arduino IDE, breadboard where switch and 10k ohm resistor will be connected. Now let's look into the schematic diagram to understand how the connections are made. Here two important ports are being seen, one for input and other for output. Switch is an input device, LED is an output device. So the port considered for the switch is D2 and the port considered for LED is D13. Currently the circuit diagram is in active low state. When switch is turned on, then there is a closed circuit which is established between the controller and the switch, and the circuit turns to be active high. This status of switch is going to be read through our program, and based on the status we will be toggling the LED. Now let's see how that is been done in the program. So here we are considering three variables: push button, LED pin and button state. Push button pin is set to port 2, LED pin is set to port 13 and variable button state is initialized to 0. The two functions are there, setup and loop. In setup we do all critical hardware initialization for our application. Here our application is to toggle LED based on the status of the input switch. Push button is set to input port direction and LED is set to output port direction. In loop we are asserting the status of the switch. So hence we are reading the digital read, the push button port status, and that is saved in a variable called button state. We have an if condition to assert the state of the button, whether high or low. So whenever the button is pressed, the state turns to high and LED is turned on. Whenever the button is released, the status turns to be low and push and LED is turned off.